Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the sheet and choosing the column to clean. Make a helper column next to it and enter equals trim, A2. This immediately removes leading, trailing, and extra spaces between words. Once done, copy the formula down to cover all rows so you can see cleaned results beside originals. Make sure you work on a copy or helper column so original data remains intact while you verify results and spot rows that need extra attention. Once the basic trim shows differences, you need to target non-standard characters. Use LEN comparisons to detect hidden bytes. If lengths differ after trim, non-breaking spaces, char 160, or control characters are likely. Replace char 160 with a normal space using substitute, then wrap with clean to strip control codes and trim to normalize spaces. Apply the combined formula down the helper column, so every cell you finish by replacing originals with the cleaned values. Copy the helper column and paste special right arrow values onto the original cells, then delete the helper. Make sure to save a backup before overwriting. If some rows still look wrong, inspect with code and find to reveal unexpected characters or display lengths with LEN to spot mismatches. Non-printable characters often require additional substitute targets. This troubleshooting step ensures complete removal of trailing and hidden spaces, so formulas and lookups work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.